Guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you cTrader versus cTrader. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video and watch the video till the end. Here you will see. This is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about user preference. cTrader provided simple and user-friendly idle for beginners, and cTrader provided advanced and modern design suited for experienced traders. So depend upon user preference. Now let's look at the features. cTrader offer essential trading tools and automatic trading capabilities. And cTrader is comprehensive tools including advanced charting, trading algorithms, and depth of market. So cTrader is better. Now let's look at the customization. cTrader provided limited customization options, and cTrader provided high level of customization for charts, indicators, and trading strategies. So cTrader is better. Now let's look at the mobile app. cTrader provide a basic mobile trading app, and cTrader provide fully functional mobile app with advanced features similar to the desktop version. So cTrader is better. Now let's look at the ease of use. cTrader is very easy to learn and use, suitable for beginners. And cTrader require a learning curve due to its advanced tools. So cTrader is better. Now let's look at the supported brokers. cTrader limited broker support, not as widely used as cTrader. And in cTrader supported by a wide range of reputable brokers. So cTrader is better. Now let's look at the algorithmic trading. cTrader support automated trading but lack the depth and sophistication of cTrader's algorithmic trading features. And cTrader provided advanced algorithmic trading capabilities through cAlgo and integration with custom C hash trading bots. So cTrader is better. And in the last, let's look at the fees and commission. cTrader provided lower fees and commission depending on the brokers, and cTrader provided higher fees and commission depending on the broker but justified by advanced features. So cTrader is better for cost conscious traders. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.